Hi, welcome to my first video about Roblox. Today I am just gonna talk for a small amount of time on a very controversial thing happening in Roblox. If you notice in Roblox, when you die or change the volume, it used to make an oof sound. Now it only makes like a duh sound, which sound really bad. Anyway, why was it removed, you may ask? Well, it all started when Tommy Tallarico copyrighted the sound as being the original creator. But if you want the sound in your game, you can go to the creator marketplace and search up oof and you will find oof sound effect. So that's my video. I hope you enjoyed and I hopefully will see you in the next video. Bye.